These are your steering wheel audio controls. If your vehicle does not look like this, please see your Nissan Connect owner's manual. To select an audio mode, the vehicle information display must be switched to the audio screen using these buttons. With audio selected, the source can then be selected using the OK button. Pressing this button while it's orange will display the shortcut menu, which can also be used to select an audio source. Use these switches to adjust the volume up or down. Pressing and quickly releasing these buttons seeks the next or previous preset station when in AM, FM, or Sirius XM radio mode, or the next or previous track when in the USB or Bluetooth audio modes. Pressing and holding these buttons seeks the next or previous broadcast station when in AM or FM mode, the next or previous channel when in Sirius XM radio mode, or reverses or fast forwards the current track when in USB mode. Please see your Nissan Connect owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.